Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a blog post on WordPress if you're using Elementor. There's a lot of confusion around this, so let's clear it up and get you posting like a pro. Go to your WordPress dashboard and on the left hand side go to Posts. Then click on Add New. This opens up a WordPress post editor. WordPress has always handled blog posts through this editor, even if you're using Elementor for design. Creating a post directly through WordPress is important because Elementor mainly customizes design templates, not the actual content creation for posts. Let's add a title to the post, enter some main content below, and write engaging and detailed content that suits your audience. Remember, a well-organized post keeps readers engaged. Keep your paragraphs short and use headers to break up sections for readability. You can always revisit to polish your content. Here's where you can adjust other elements of your post. After publishing, you can customize the URL. Organize your posts with categories and tags to improve navigation and SEO. And remember to upload an image that represents your content and catches your reader's attention. When everything looks good, publish the post. Now here's where Elementor comes in. If you have the Elementor Pro version, you can create custom templates for your blog post designs. Go to Templates, Add New and Single Post. Create a template that applies a custom layout to your post. This will let you control the look of all your blog posts without needing to edit each one individually. Now in Elementor, you can choose your grid layout, your colors, add some filters, and tweak anything you'd like. Elementor is only for designing layouts. Content for blog posts will be created through WordPress's post editor. This distinction can save you a lot of time.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.